You both work with Cisco. You're both involved with the open source. How did this journey start for you guys? Did it start with Cisco and it start independently? Is it something that you brought to Cisco, or something that came from internally? Like, let's talk about it a little bit about that.
Well, for this specific project, FTAO, it started at Cisco. So
Okay.
Cisco started VPP, which is the main technology that was open source there.
Yep.
And so when I joined Cisco, this was already open source, and then I started contributing. So I got interested in the technology itself, and then we created a project there. And so this is how we started. And then we continued there independently. But yeah, the fact that a company can support us working in the open source is important. So
Sure.
it makes a difference.
Absolutely. Yourself?
So for me, I started with HSN, which is the same project in the FDIO umbrella. And yeah, I started via the company because before I didn't contribute much in open source. When after I started with the FDIO one, I continue also contributing on the projects. But at the time I do contributions also the stuff which is external information. They were kind of a good starting point.
Okay, excellent. Excellent. It's good to know. So, so in terms of your, I guess, your personal contributions, what would you say those are in terms of the projects that you've been doing?
So my core contribution is mainly on networking, so data plane networking,
Okay.
and in software.
Right.
And you know, in innovation, like new protocols which are very new, coming from research, and trying to get them into open source production grade so that people can use it in applications. And so trying also to fill the gaps between the network and the applications, so it's easy to use for application developers. Like in our project, we've been focusing on also WebRTC kind of applications, so real time, for instance. And so
Sure.
how to make this easy for application developers to use new networking projects, so without too much pain to them. So that was one of the important contributions of our project.
Okay. And Mauro?
Mainly involved networking as well, in particular the data path and the pieces where the performance matters. So basically take care of really improving the performance of the piece of code that do the processing and stuff like that. And yeah, the same is the main contribution. It also the part that really is close to what VPP team does.
Right.
So I'm basically taking care of it.
And these are both great contributions. Like it's really something to have an organization support people that are part of the community. So you were saying like Cisco promotes you being part of the community, contributing to it. Is that correct?
That's right. So Cisco,
It's part of your job.
that's right. It's really part of the job, but it also is also useful to collaborate with partners. Like so, Cisco builds products. Open source allows us also to talk to partners better than what we could do one-to-one. So it's good, a group of people together, sitting around the table, working from different companies, and this is what open source allows. So it's not easy in other frameworks, for example. And so this is also why Cisco promotes that as a corporate level.
And you have the same opinion, or you have a slightly different?
No, I believe the same. It's nice to create a nice community behind, where you can get help if you need, or you can contribute and you can feel part of something.
No, that's excellent. That's excellent. So I guess the last question I have for you is what's your favorite thing about the open source community, about Linux Foundation, LFN, and contributions that you've made so far?
So one of the best things about open source is that you can quickly build a solution. Well, first because the code is available out there, but also people are available, and so you can talk to them, take different pieces and build something. In some cases, even a product or a proof of concept, and it doesn't require signing NDAs or contracts and legal agreements, but you can do it quickly. So that's one of the big advantages of open source that I like a lot. Working with partners or even people just contributing to code, but that's one of the, so it makes everything faster.
Sure.
And you can also get a feedback on what you do. So basically, the other people are going to tell you your idea was nice. If you can improve, what can you do for improving? And that's a big piece.
That's excellent. Okay, that's great, guys. Listen, thank you very much for being on. I don't know if there's anything else that you want to add. This has been fantastic.
No, nothing to add, but I mean, the event was great. So thank you for organizing the event here.
You're very welcome, and thank you for attending. Much appreciated. Thank you, guys.
Yeah.